Dear friends, today we will discuss in the chapter of entrepreneurship development the meaning and definition of entrepreneurship, characteristics of the good entrepreneur, and the functions of entrepreneur. In this video, first of all, we will discuss of the meaning and definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, which means to take, undertake, which means to undertake, means a person who undertake the risk of a new enterprise. Richard Cantillon first time used the word entrepreneur in 1755. According to Oxford Dictionary, an entrepreneur is one who organizes, operates, and assumes the risk in a business venture as an expectation of making profits. Thus, an entrepreneur is a person who gets things done, starts a venture on his or her own, and is able to create something that produces an outcome such as wealth. The entrepreneur introduces something new into the economy, which may be new product or process, or finds a new market for a product or process already known. In brief, we can say then an entrepreneur is a person who take the responsibilities of initiating and establishing an enterprise or an organization under conditions of uncertainty. The person is hardworking, optimistic, risk taker, and seeks and sets high target or goals and try to achieve those amidst odd situations. The general characteristics of an entrepreneur are commitment and determination, leadership, opportunity seeking, tolerance of risk, creativity, self reliance, and ability to adapt, and motivation to excel. On the other hand, the entrepreneurship is a dynamic process with innovation and risk bearing as its two basic elements involving multiplicity of activities towards establishment of any enterprise. Here we will also discuss some concepts of entrepreneurship. The concept of entrepreneurship has been visualized by different authors in a various ways. Some of them are, according to Bahal 2008, entrepreneurship is a process of change comprising the following three behavioral components. First one is the identification, evolution, and exploitation of any opportunity. Second one, the management of a new or transformed organization so as to facilitate production and marketing of new goods and services. Third one is the creation of value through successful exploitation of new idea, that means innovation. Cooley in 1949 also defined the entrepreneurship in such a way that he stated that entrepreneurship comprise any purposeful activity that initiates, maintains, or develops a profit oriented business in interaction with the internal situation of the business or with economic, political, and social circumstances surrounding the business. In brief, we can say that entrepreneurship can be described as a creative and innovative response to the environment. Such response can take place in any field of social endeavor, business, industry, agriculture, education, social work, and the like. Doing new things or doing things that are already known in a new way is therefore a simple definition of entrepreneurship. Now we will discuss about the some specific characteristics of a good entrepreneur. The entrepreneur are known for their special characteristics which make them entrepreneur. An entrepreneur may not possess all the characteristics mentioned here, but may possess his her own set of characteristics. The following characteristics are recognized for a good entrepreneur. It may be noted that there is no sex discrimination in becoming an entrepreneur. Males and females are equally competent to become entrepreneur in any field. The specific characteristic now I want to discuss of a good entrepreneur. First one is the achievement motivation. Entrepreneurs have high achievement motivation and an urge for excellence and desire for success in competing with standards set by the others as well as one sets for oneself. Second was personal drive and energy. The entrepreneurs believe that they are capable of doing things and have the ability to control the actions and activities of the other people. Third one is risk taking. An entrepreneur prefers to take calculated risk in dealing with in a challenging situation. Fourth one is taking initiative. An entrepreneur is prone to take initiative and explore all possibilities to reach the goal. Sixth one is the long-term involvement. Entrepreneurs are found to set goals that demand long-term involvement and require perseverance. Seventh one is the goal setting. An entrepreneur sets goals for himself both in terms of what wants to and when. An entrepreneur realizes that time is valuable resource and wants to utilize it fully to reach the goal in time. Eighth one is systematic planning. An entrepreneur believes in planning and take logical steps to achieve the goals. Ninth, dealing with failure. Failure does not deter an entrepreneur. Rather, he or she or analyze the failure as a feedback information and take appropriate corrective steps. Entrepreneurs are oriented towards problem solving. He believes that if there is any problem, there must be a solution. 10th one is money as measure. Entrepreneurs are see money profit as a measure for their success as against the general stigma attached to money making. 11th, information seeking. An entrepreneur possesses information seeking behavior and is always on the lookout for relevant current information related to the product, process, market, etc. to take sound decisions. 12th, leadership. An entrepreneur follows a style of persuasive leadership which motivate the team members to put in their maximum efforts. 13th, use of resources. Procurement and judicious utilization of resources are other important characteristics of a successful entrepreneur. And 14th is networking. Developing a good network of relationship with the persons, agencies, organizations connected with the enterprise is an important characteristic for a successful entrepreneur. And 15th one is the self-reliance or self-confidence. Any endeavor which entrepreneur want to starts have confidence himself, his idea and the success. So the entrepreneur must have self-confidence about his own enterprise. There are some important functions an entrepreneur have to do to run the enterprise. So we will discuss about the functions of entrepreneur. The important functions of an entrepreneur are presented that first one important function is the idea generation. This is the most important and function of the entrepreneur. Idea generation is possible through the vision, experience, observation, training, and exposure of the entrepreneur. It suggests for project identification. Second one is raising of funds. All the activities of a business depend upon the finance and its proper management. It is the responsibility of the entrepreneur to raise funds internally and externally. Procurement of raw material. Procurement of raw material is also an important function. Entrepreneur has to identify the cheap and regular sources of supply of raw material to reduce production cost. Fourth one is procurement of machinery. The next function of the enterprise is to procure the machineries and equipments for establishment of the venture. Fifth one is market research. Entrepreneur has to undertake market research persistently in order to know the details of the intending product, means the demand for the product, the nature and size of the consumer, and the price of the product, etc. Recruitment of manpower. The entrepreneur has to recruit staff according to the needs and size of the organization. Training may also be imparted for capacity building. And seventh one is implementation of the project. The identified project is to be implemented in a time bound manner. All the activities from the conception stage to commissioning stage are to be accomplished in accordance with the implementation schedule to avoid cost and time overrun as well as competition. So, this is all about the entrepreneurship, characteristics of a good entrepreneur, and the functions of entrepreneur. Next, we will discuss about the SWOT analysis in our next video. Thank you very much.